In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quiz video on Canva. Alright, so let's search for quiz presentations, and we'll be able to see the templates here. For example, this is a science quiz. So let's click on this science quiz here. You can see all the 13 pages of this template. And if you think all of them are good, you can just apply all 13 pages on your file. So let's click that. Okay, and you'll be able to see all of these slides here, 13 slides. Let's click the close. Now, if you'd like to make it a quiz video, click on share, download, file type should be MP4 video, and then click download. That's about it. That's how you can make quiz video on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.